guys, it's Promise Sebastian here again. Okay, I'm gonna be taking you guys through on blending image in backgrounds. Blending image in backgrounds. Before we proceed, if you've not subscribed to my channel, just do me a favor of clicking the subscription button and on the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop an awesome content like this. Okay, so straight to the image blending. Okay, for beginners, advice I will give is don't blend image in white backgrounds for now, unless you can try out something like this. You can just blow out some places and still leave the image visible. Blending image in white backgrounds, for me, it's not professional. Okay, so that tends to which colors are suitable for blending image. Light colors are not actually suitable for blending image, like you're trying to reduce the opacity. If you don't know what I mean by blending image, I actually mean something like this image reducing the opacity of the image on the background. That is what I mean by blending. I think I locked it. Let me, okay, it's not locked. Let me show you guys what I mean. So this is the opacity is at 27. So this is the actual visibility of the image. So for you to blend it, you just reduce the opacity. That is what blend actually means. So how do you blend image? And most especially this blending of images is mostly used on church flyers. If you can notice, you mostly might not blend your image in business flyers because you will just have to show the image in a way like this.
Everything boils down to how creative you are. There are people that still blend on business flyer.
If I'm gonna be fast enough, I will try creating one church flyer and save it so you guys can model through and blend also on it. So I'll give you guys a try to. So blend this image is really necessary if you want to be good at creating church flyers, because a lot of them needs it. Okay, so this is my image. I've tried to blend it on white and it's not okay. So you get a dark background. You can use dark red, dark blue,
Mauve, black, dark pink. Depending on the theme of your flyer, blending image goes well on dark background. You don't use light backgrounds to blend image.
let me try dark red. Okay, so this is my dark red. I can still make dark black and dark blue. since your background has the same color, so everything will be matching. You can still increase and reduce. Okay, so this is it. Let me try to use this for a church flyer. I'll be fast and good. You use dark background like I said before for blending. Most of the times light backgrounds are not okay. I mean, for beginners, there are professionals in graphic design that are good at handling colors and everything, so they will know how to blend with it, like I showed you guys about shadow. So before you go through all this, just note these ones for church flyers. Just stick, you can use dark red. Dark colors are okay for church flyers. There is no need for excitement unless the church flyer is a program, like it's not only binding and casting. You get me? Most binding and casting flyers, you just have to use dark colors, like prevailing prayers, praying and fasting, all those things. But you see, like seminars that are being conducted on church, it's not much you use dark colors. And some other things that don't just about prayers and the rest, you can still use other colors. Okay, so let me try to create one. Let me try to turn this thing to a fly. can try something like this. It's also looking nice. So this is it. Yeah, good. Let me save it. There are also many things you can add on it. So this is it. Very simple and okay. Okay, for those that want to model, well, I said you guys the flyer in case you want to model. So you can model and you can still improve on it. You don't just have to go and copy cat, don't copy. You can still improve on it, add some stuff on it. Okay, so thanks for watching and have a great day. I will drop the flyer on description button. So for those that want to model, you can model from there. Okay, thank you and have a great day.